works fine. Did you want a map?
Yep, sure.
Okay. And our visitor center is just 2 miles straight down that main road.
Awesome, thank you.
Have a good time.
You too.
Thank you.
Approaching Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park. This national park is in the southern part of the Colorado state. Of course, Grand Canyon is too big. So that is another point. This is like the Black Canyon. So the color of the rocks all around it is black. So we are ready to explore the national park. Towards the Pulpit rock overlook, and it's there. Can you see the rapids there? Here? It's looking enormous from here only. Enchanting, isn't it? I'm loving this. It's too hot, but it's totally worth it. So this is the south rim and this is the north rim of the Black Canyon of the Gunnison, and as you can see that the south rim is more eroded than the north rim. It's because south rim, being facing north, doesn't get much of the sunlight. It retains much of the moisture, and that is one of the biggest reason of erosion. Now this whole valley took around 2 million years to form. That's a really long time. Cross fissures, that is approximately 357 yards. Let's go. That's double fissure down there. I don't know how it got its name, but it's deep. You know, it's a very small hike. As you can see, it's just 357 yards, and such a kind of view. I'm definitely amazed. Else, for finding these kind of views, you will definitely have to hike for 6 miles to 10 miles. That was my past experience, but this is beautiful.
Made it to the Devil's Overlook.
So right now I'm at the Chasm view, and this is the shallowest and the narrowest section in this whole monument. This is the distance between this to this region is only 0.25 miles. So this is the most narrowest region of this Black Canyon. The history of this place. So Mr. William Torrance in 1900 began his exploration here, but his first exploration was a major fail. They lost all the supplies, and you know, there were not so much hikers way that are there present today in the world. So he went back again 1 year back, and that whole expedition lasted for 9 days. They were able to find a way down there to the Gunnison River, and finally in 1909 they were able to divert the river water of Gunnison, which is utilized for water utilization all around the cities, especially the Montrose city where we stayed in the night.
After the Chasm view, we are heading towards the painted wall. I guess mostly the walk towards the wall would be flat. What do you think, Akshay?
This is the first time I am not seeing any sign of no drone. Oh, somebody has
Already, I guess somebody has crashed it already. But once you're already in the area of a national park, it seems the flying any manned or any motor aircraft is prohibited. You're just finding your way around.
Yeah, why not seeing the world from that part?
From a bird's eye or an aerial view is always a better perspective. We are at 2300 feet, and the painted wall is the highest cliff in Colorado. So for instance, if you are at the Empire State Building and the building stood on the canyon floor, it would reach slightly more than halfway to the top of the cliff.
Can you believe this is the Empire State Building?
And it's just the half of
And we are standing here.
Yeah. And these patterns almost took billions of years ago to get created.
I think so. This is called painted walls because of the stripes on the walls there. That's the mountain mahogany. Finally found a fully grown Utah juniper tree, and believe it or not, this tree is older than any one of us. It's 200-year old. Let's check out the view from here. This is gorgeous. Gunnison National Park is beautiful, and I'm lucky to be here at this point of the time. Even in the long weekend, the whole place is reserved for me. There is no one else at this Cedar Point. You can see the beautiful and gorgeous view behind me. You can spend hours here, no one to disturb.
After covering the Cedar Point, we are heading to the Dragon Point.
Elk Mountains.
But the views make it all worth it. What say?
I'm totally in for it.
Yeah.
Walking toward the Dragon's Point. The kind of tree which we see in the Bollywood horror movies. This is the Dragon's Point.
Starting the Warner Trail, this will be our last trail / hike / visiting any viewpoints in the Black Canyon of Gunnison.
Oh my, that is gorgeous. You can see the views there as well. Climb, Akshay, climb, Happy, climb. After a long trail of Warner's Point, it's time to say goodbye to Gunnison National Park.
With its spectacular landscape, Black Canyon of the Gunnison offers incredible views of dark, breathtaking narrows and sheer rock walls. making it Colorado's most dramatic parks.